I'm about to reveal how to cultivate a deep sense of longing in any woman, even if she seems indifferent at first. As the legendary Bruce Lee once said, "The key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering." This profound insight underscores the essence of making a lasting impression, which is precisely our focus today. I'll be unveiling 5 powerful strategies that will make any woman yearn for you, whether you're in a relationship or just beginning to connect. These tips are designed to ensure that you leave an unforgettable mark. First, let's discuss the art of ceasing contact. Here's the hard truth. Women are naturally drawn to what they can't have, the allure of the chase. The more you pursue her, the less likely she is to reciprocate. So, stop being available at all times. Stop sharing every single detail of your life with her. Put your phone down and create some space. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, the more we value things outside our control, the less control we have. When you stop communicating constantly, it gives her room to wonder about you. She'll start to imagine what you're doing, and this curiosity will begin to build. Maybe she'll wonder if you're spending time with other women, sparking jealousy. By stepping back, you convey that you're self-sufficient and not dependent on her for happiness, which makes you more intriguing. If she feels like she has you completely figured out, her interest will naturally fade. In the same way that Stoicism teaches self-reliance and autonomy, maintaining your independence in relationships is crucial. Second, resist her attention baits. She might try to lure you in with subtle traps. Social media is often her weapon of choice, posting pictures or statuses designed to get your attention. Do not take the bait. Don't like her pictures or comment on her posts. Remember the wise words of Marcus Aurelius, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." By not reacting, you avoid getting sucked into her game. She'll start wondering why you haven't acknowledged her, making her anxious and increasing her desire for you. This silence has a powerful psychological effect, creating a sense of longing. You're not playing games. You're practicing emotional discipline and self-control, the hallmarks of Stoicism. Not being swayed by her bids for attention makes you more attractive, reflecting your strength and independence. Third, show her that you're still thriving. When she begins to miss you, her curiosity will likely lead her to check your social media. What she finds there is key. If she sees that you're active, having fun, and succeeding, it will make her want to reconnect. If you seem boring or desperate, she'll keep her distance. Post your wins, big or small, whether it's a new project, a fun trip, or simply a great day spent with friends. This doesn't mean boasting. It's about sharing moments that show you're happy and thriving. Remember, Stoicism is about finding joy in the present. By embodying this philosophy, you'll make her realize that you don't need her to be happy, which paradoxically makes her want to be part of your life. Fourth, tap into the power of evoking jealousy. Now, this doesn't mean manipulating her emotions, but showing her that you have options. If she sees a picture of you with another woman, maybe a friend at an event, it can stir feelings of jealousy and increase her interest. Even something as innocent as sharing a picture of your favorite celebrity crush can send a subtle signal that you are desirable. As Epictetus said, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it." You're simply showcasing your value and letting her reaction fuel her desire to be closer to you. The uncertainty of whether you're involved with someone else will make her imagine various scenarios, pulling her further into your orbit. Finally, give her an easy way to remember you. Create lasting memories by associating yourself with something meaningful to her. It could be a lighthearted joke, a nickname, or an experience you both share. For example, if she loves a particular show, nickname her after one of the characters. Every time she watches it, she'll think of you. Or if you give her a fun, unique nickname tied to her interests, like calling her Sunshine for her bright personality, she'll remember you whenever she hears that word. This creates an emotional connection that lingers long after your interactions. This method taps into associative memory, making her think of you in everyday situations. Stoicism emphasizes living fully in the present, and by creating enjoyable, memorable moments with her, you not only make her miss you, but also embody Stoic happiness. To wrap up, remember this. The goal is not to play manipulative games, but to cultivate self-control, emotional intelligence, and resilience. By adopting these Stoic principles, you can navigate the dynamics of attraction with strength and wisdom. Live a vibrant, fulfilling life and let her see that you're thriving. By embracing independence, resisting the urge to seek constant validation, and focusing on personal growth, you naturally become more desirable, not just in relationships, but in life. This lesson isn't just about winning someone's affection. It's about living with purpose, confidence, and serenity, making you irresistible in all aspects of life. What moments or activities could you share that will create lasting memories? How can Stoic happiness shape your relationships and interactions? Reflect on these questions and apply them in your journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on living a life worth remembering.